That's an OEM car or no?
It is actually. That was the OEM paint code, but it's been...
It looks like you got it like that. I know. I don't know. The cops are going to give me a ticket. He's going to give me a ticket.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy out here, Boom Boom Tisk. Thanks for tuning in. And here we are. It's the day before track day. Tomorrow is Saturday, which is May 21st, which is Togated Tracks Duskapalooza event at Streets of Willow and Horse Thief Mile. And so, doing some track prep to the EK hatch, as you can see right here. I got the rear disc brake conversion finally completed. I've been sitting on that kit for years, and I finally got around to putting it on, so we got everything working. We also knocked out some Goodrich stainless steel braided brake lines and Modal DOT4 brake fluid. So got the brakes pretty much good to go for now. I hear a lot of recommendations for a 40/40 prop valve on the disc brake setup for these cars, so I will look into that. I've been made aware. But anyways, I got a bunch of updates and not a lot of time, so I'm gonna try to just make this kind of quick. We'll start from the top. After the rear disc brakes were done, the next thing I did was I put on my lower control arms. I had some function LCAs, and so I put those on. Now they're matching with my function 7 subframe brace, which I've had for quite some time now. I'm also running a 24mm ASR rear sway bar, which was actually off of a DA Integra, and so I had to get the end links to work properly and maybe do a little bit of adjustment. I had some issues with the bolts being the wrong size, but it's a pretty simple fix. I just found a longer bolt and it was good to go. Oh, hell yeah. The function 7 LCAs are a little bit thicker through and through, and so I had to run a thicker bolt when I was putting my sway bar back in and the links back in, but we got that sorted out. The other big thing we did, we actually went ahead and put a full-size KOYORAD radiator in there. Kind of went overkill on the cooling system. We did a full-size radiator, KOYO, for an EK Civic, and then we also did a SPOON Thermostat and fan switch. Of course, new coolant and a new upper hose, just for good measure. But yeah, we got that sorted out, and that took us some time. We flushed out all the old green coolant. We ran blue instead and distilled water. I was going to put some Hawk HP Plus brake pads on front and rear. However, when I got around to installing them yesterday, the front pads weren't right. I must have ordered it for the wrong application, which is my bad, but now I wasn't able to put those on. I do still have I think it's like just AutoZone brake pads and rotors, so we're gonna have to just run with that. I did pick up a set of spare brake pads, some Nissan brake pads, so I have a set of spare brake pads and rotors in case for some reason during the track day we needed it. But besides that, that was pretty much this week, and it kept us pretty busy. There was also another big update. In case you haven't noticed, new wheel and tire combo on the EK, and I was running the SSR Type Fs for years. The last set of tires that were on there were Toyo R1Rs, which actually were doing pretty well. They did get recoated by, I want to say it was called Superior Metal Finishes. They're local to me, and I think they did a great job on the powder coat because, dude, they look amazing. So we're going to put them to the test tomorrow and see how they hold up against brake dust and that kind of thing. Since I'm still running ceramic pads, I don't think it's going to be much of a problem. I was planning on running the HP Pluses, like I already said, but we're not doing that, so hopefully we'll be okay here. I'm also running Nanking CR1s, nice beefy tire, as you can see. And so shout outs to our Compound USA and Dwayne Bada for hooking me up, getting them mounted and taken care of, and also giving me a lot of pointers on what to expect for a track day. Besides that, another big thing we did here is we actually went ahead and added a harness. G-Force brand 5-point harness. This quick release setup that it's got, it works really well. So it's pretty easy to get in and out of, which I which I suppose is pretty important for when you're at the track and when stuff hits the fan. But besides that, we also added a ASR 2mm spacer on the steering wheel. So now since I got the harness and I'm sitting further back, further tighter to the seat, just something to give me more reach to the steering wheel. The car's also got a half cage in there. It's got an auto power street roll bar. And yes, I'm trying not to overthink it. I talked to a lot of my friends that do have a lot of track experience, and a lot of them are saying sort of the same thing. Like, you know, of course, like, you know, keep your car ready to go and prepared, reliable, safe, and also just not to overthink it. And with it being the day before, it's like, I feel like there's a million things I could be worried about, but at the same time, I'm just going out there to have fun. And it's really nothing too serious, and it's really just about getting to know this car, doing more stuff with it, and then just having some fun. So I say you know how to drive stick.
Huh?
And that's pretty much it. My 98 Honda Civic CX hatchback EK. Just want to give a couple shout outs to some people. Shout outs to the homie, the OG Justin Goen, aka Subtle Driver. Thanks for all your helpful tips, all your helpful points as far as what to do with the track, what to do with the car. And I tried my best to just put that all in action here. So thank you. Shout outs to my boy Lee, sick ass Lee over there, hooking me up with Honda and stuff like that, and just like being down to get me whatever parts I need, even if it's like super last minute. So really appreciate that. Thank you. And your shit is fast. Shout outs to just family and friends, everybody who's just super supportive of this expensive ass hobby. Thank you so much for just accepting me for who I am. Love you guys. Thanks, Baba. Okay. Oh, dude. She's the best. And also, shout outs to Brooklyn. Thank you for just being down as well to do everything with us, and also learning and being super smart. And also, last but not least, shout outs to my lovely girlfriend, Cindy Goddess. Oh God, I butchered that. Anyways, shout outs to my lovely girlfriend, Cindy. Thank you for always being down to do all this crazy car stuff, whether it's parts runs at like 9 o'clock at night to LA and back, or just going out to meets like every week, and yeah, washing the car at 4 in the morning. This car life is pretty crazy. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're not in it, like, it ain't for the weak, but it's definitely worth it. It wouldn't be, if it wasn't worth it, we wouldn't be doing it. So shout outs to you for putting up with it, for also being super into it yourself. And I am looking forward to seeing you on the track with me and building your race car. So look forward to a whole lot more ramen noodle dinners and microwavable TV lunches and that kind of thing, because that's what we're gonna do. But anyways, shout outs to you as well, the viewer, all 45 of you for watching this video. And my bad for making it so long, but I tried. I hope the audio is good. Dude, I don't know. I was so excited about this iPhone 13, but to be honest, dude, I don't know. I don't think the audio is just it. I think now I gotta go get myself a mic and just kind of make this a whole big operation, but I got plans for that too. I got all this stuff in my head that I want to make happen in real life. And so this was one of them, and it's just like, this right here to me is just kind of like, you could make something happen, you know, when you really put your mind to it. So especially with a whole lot of help from good folks, good friends and family, and just supporters. So yeah, dude, hell yeah, and shout outs to my neighbor. Dude, thanks for giving me a helping hand. What's up, dude? Got some help out here today. really can't forget about that as well. So thanks, Daniel, for being a cool neighbor and for letting me borrow your microfiber towel rags, even though those are like too nice to wipe your dirty car with. So yeah, dude. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you later. And I hope I could make another video.